After work today, somebody prepared food for us. So this is a hot pot. So what you do, you put all the fresh seafoods in this boiling broth and just let it cook in there, and all the flavoring will go in the soup, and this will be tasty for sure. Look at this, it's properly clean. And on the other side of the pot, just put all the meat in that area, so seafoods and meat on the other side. Just let it boil and we'll wait. It's looking good. Now this. And after cooking the seafoods and meat, all the flavoring is in there. Just put all your veggies and almost time to eat. So with all of this food, somebody's afraid that this might be not enough. She adds something else, my goodness sakes. A Korean style barbecue. Okay, food is ready. Let's see.
Very tasty.
The pancit on the bottom. Woohoo!
I think this is the best one yet, Mom.
A beautiful dinner.